Which is the best microphone for YouTube under 1000 bucks? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TID. This is Parth and today I'm gonna review Boya BY M1 lavalier microphone. So today we have this Boya BY M1 lavalier microphone, which comes under 1000 rupees, or you can easily get it around 800 to 900 rupees in Amazon. So let's first quickly do the unboxing. It comes in this pouch. It's written Boya and it has a user manual. Silica gel, the main microphone, and it has an adapter, battery, noise foam, and a clip inside it. Okay, so this is the main microphone unit. It's written Boya and it has the switch which you can toggle between camera and smartphone. And the build quality is really very good. 1000 rupees is not a ton of money, and so the options are also pretty limited. However, one of the decent microphone in this price range is this one, the Boya BY M1. This is a great lavalier microphone which you can clip onto your collar and can connect it with your audio recorder or any camcorder or camera. The best thing about this microphone is that it can even connect with your smartphone. You can switch between the camera mode or the smartphone mode. It is possible because it has 3 rings, which means it is a TRRS microphone. Which means, like, when you connect it with your smartphone, it will act as a TRRS port, 3.5mm jack. And when you connect it with your camcorder or audio recorder, you will switch the button to the camera mode and it will act as a TRS microphone. So it is a universal kind of microphone which works both with the camera and the smartphone. The other thing which I like about this microphone is the cable length. As you can see, the cable length is pretty much long and it's written that the cable length is around 6 meters, which is quite much. This is an added advantage as you can clip on the mic to your collar and can easily move around as the length is pretty much long of the cable. So now let's quickly do the sound test. So for sound test, what we need to do is, if we want to connect this with our camera, we need to insert the batteries. So here we need to insert the batteries which came with it. Let me quickly set it up. This is the onboard microphone on Nikon D7200. So this is how camera sounds without any external microphone. Now let me quickly plug in the Boya microphone into it. Now you are hearing sound from Boya BY M1 microphone, which I directly connected to the camera. I really like the sound of the microphone. I think it's quite good. and performs very well under $1,000. So that's why it's my personal best also. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and like the video for more tech stuff like this. Thank you.